On April 2013, Kosovo and Serbia reached the first agreement on principles governing the normalization of relations, the Brussels Agreement. A part of this agreement foresaw full dismantlement of the so-called civil protection, integration of its members into the civil institutions of Kosovo, and Serbia's internal procedures to terminate salary payments to the personnel. For the government of Kosovo, the civil protection in the north was a paramilitary structure installed by Serbia's Ministry of Defense, later transferred under the structure of the Ministry of Interior. But for many northern Serbs, it represented an emergency response system. In 2015, Kosovo and Serbia reached another agreement, which detailed the integration process. The candidates had to meet the following criteria: to possess a Kosovo ID, not to be on the payroll of any other institution, and to pass security checks conducted by Kosovo Police and ULEX. A panel of 4 members was responsible for selecting individuals for specific positions based on their education and professional experience. To facilitate the implementation, Kosovo adopted the law on amnesty. This law would provide amnesty for members of Serbian security institutions operating in the territory of Kosovo, who had been convicted or are subject to prosecution for certain specified criminal offences, enabling their integration into Kosovo equivalent structures. Serbia closed the civil protection structures, retired all of its personnel, and handed the equipment and the official uniforms. By the agreement, they are expected to remove the 3 observation points on the road between Mitrovica and Jarinja, and to handle over the 15 premises of civil protection in 7 locations to ensure implementation. By early 2016, 479 former CP members were integrated in 24 Kosovo institutions as follows, and their integration has contributed to the improvement of the security situation in northern part of Kosovo, although certain challenges still persist.